If you're on this channel, chances are you're looking for the best side hustle that allow you to make money on the side in 2019. And in this video, I'm going to show you 7 best side hustles that will allow you to make money on the side. So before we move on, remember to subscribe to this channel and like this video for more videos like this on this channel. And also check out the first link in the description below for a free training that shows you how to make money online starting today. So to move on with today's video, we're going to be sharing 7 side hustles that will allow you make money on the side. And on our list of side hustles, the first side hustle that will allow you to make money on the side is called Amazon Flex. So Amazon Flex is an Amazon program that allows you to get paid delivering boxes for Amazon, and Amazon pays up to 18 to 24 hours per service or per box delivered. And with Amazon Flex, you can be your own boss, schedule your time and when you could work. So Amazon Flex, if you're looking to make a quick cash or an extra money on the side, Amazon Flex is a great flexibility program that allows you to make money on the side working for Amazon. So this is a side hustle number 1. And with Amazon Flex, you got to select your working hours and when you could schedule to pick up and do and deliver these items for Amazon. So that is our side hustle number 1. And number 2 on the list, we have Live Up. So Live Up is basically a virtual call center that allows you to get hired as a virtual agent so you can work from home. So Live Up is a great program if you're looking to make some good money on the side by doing some virtual calls for Live Up. So as a Live Up agent, you get to work from home, answering calls for businesses and organizations. And with Live Up, you have the ability to earn up to $200 to $800 per week working on the side, just answering calls for businesses and organizations. So if you're looking to make money on the side, Live Up is a good option that allows you to make money on the side with your flexibility timing and ability to choose your working hours and when you could work and when you could not work. And the third side also we have on the list is called Focus Group. So with Focus Group, you have the ability to earn up to $50 to $500 for a work of 30 minutes to up to 3 hours of your time. So focus group is just kind of a market research where you join the focus group, and on the focus group you start receiving applications and interview questions to share your knowledge and opinion about certain products and services in the market. So with focus group allows you to legitimately earn money on the side by sharing your opinions to help businesses make better products and better business decisions. So focus groups allows you to make money by sharing your opinions about these products and services that business are creating before they actually release it en masse to the population. So if you're looking to make money on the side, a good focus group you can join is focusgroup.com, where you can share your opinion and earn money sharing your opinion about these products and services. And with focus groups, you can earn up to $300 to about $500 per time per, per hour of your time sharing your knowledge or your opinion about these products. And another focus group you can join is Focus Point Global. So Focus Point Global is also another focus group that will allow you to share your opinion about certain products and services before businesses release these products to the market. So you basically sign up to these focus groups, and when you after signing up, you start receiving requests or you start receiving questions and interview to test out products both online and offline, and you share your opinion about these products and you get paid by sharing your opinion about these products. So if you're looking at making money on the side, you may want to consider joining these focus groups and focus points so that you can share your opinion and earn money on the side doing this. And the next side hustle we have on the list here is user testing. So user testing just similar to focus group, but in this place we are helping businesses test out their websites and their kind of their websites, their landing pages, their marketing materials. So you're helping businesses test out their website from the user point of view. So these businesses wants to know what the user feels or what the user thinks about their product and services, about their businesses, and how it relates to the customer. So you want to sign up to user testing and make money on the side just by testing out these websites and giving out your opinion about this. So you can just do this by having your mic on and speaking to your mic and sharing your review and your thoughts about certain company and certain business websites and what you feel and think about them. So this is kind of a little bit similar like the focus group, but with the focus group, while you are testing different products and services, basically with the user testing, you're basically testing these websites and these marketing materials for these businesses to know how it relates to the customer and to the end user. That is that about user testing. So the number 5 site also we have on our list is called Turo.com. So Turo is kind of basically an Airbnb, but just for car owners. So Turo is a great place to rent out your car and get paid on the side. And what you can see on this side, these are cars that are available for rental and for rental. And when you look at it, the pricing here is about 40 to $50 per day, just renting out car. So if you think it's one thing you may want to do, rather than having your car sit at your garage, you may want to list it out on Turo and get paid renting out your car on Turo. So how much can you make on Turo? So there's a Turo calculator over here where you can choose out the year or the model of your car and choose out the make of your car. You can check out the distance or where you want to rent out your car, and you check out an estimate of what you can rent out about your car. So you may want to check out the estimate earnings on Turo and check what is possible or what is likely possible to rent out to gain. So with this basic calculator, this shows that you can earn up to 40, 50 to 100, $200 per month or week earning out your car. So how does Turo work? So basically, Turo work is from the listing end of view. From listing, for you can book a car, you can list your car. So from the listing side, you basically list out your car on a site and you get responses and you get requests from available guests who want to make use of your car for their certain needs, and they pick up your car and you get paid listing out your car on Turo.com. So another site also we are going to be looking at is affiliate marketing on YouTube. So affiliate marketing is another site also you may want to check out. Today. And with affiliate marketing, you basically want to sign up to Amazon Associate Program or any other affiliate marketing network. So I'm using the Amazon Associate as an example in this video. And with Amazon Associate, you sign up to the site to get your private and your personalized link to their affiliate program, and you make review videos on YouTube reviewing the tools, the product and things you regularly use. You make purchases on Amazon on a regular basis. So you make review products you review videos on these products and things you use, and you get paid once others sees your review and make purchases using your link. And also you also get paid even when you don't buy the main products you choose. You reviewed and buy other products within the Amazon network, As long as they are on the site with your link, you get paid just for every product they buy within that period. So Amazon Associates is a good way to earn money with affiliate marketing on Amazon. So I'm going to share more videos on Amazon on how to make money with affiliate marketing, but this video is about side hustle. So we're going to do that in some other video in the future, and that is just that about the Amazon Associate program on making money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. So the last side also we have is teaching and consulting. So with the teaching and consulting, you basically want to have a skill set you want to teach. So you can have a skill set you have something you're good at, you can share or you can teach somebody else. And with that, you may want to start with your private network and share your knowledge with people around you. And from referrals, you can start making money on the side, just sharing your knowledge. But if you want to get clients online, there are various sites that can help you get clients or get students that you can teach your knowledge and your skills. So if you're good at mathematics, you want to teach out math, and if you're good at computer, you want to teach out programming. Even if you're good at dancing, at piano, at guitar, you can teach out these things on these various sites. Varsity Tutor is a good site, and another site is Take Lesson. So on Take Lessons, there are various lessons you can teach out. If you're good at any of these, you want to sign up to these sites and share your knowledge about these various topics that you are very good at, and you can see and take and these sites will provide you with students that are eager and willing to learn from you. And the last site we have is Wayzant.com. And Wayzant also is another teaching platform that allows you to share your knowledge and help students learn skills and teachings and lessons that they are eager waiting for someone to teach them or take them through. So these are various side hustles you can start doing today. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you love this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, the like and the bell notification button to get notified of future videos from this channel. And also check out the link in the description below for the free training that shows you how you can start making money online starting today. And we'll see you in another video.